channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. As you can hear, I am a little bit sick, but it's really great because we're gonna have a fantastic before and after here. I'm doing a first impressions video of the Le Tan tanning products. So I've got the Uber Dark here in the ash base because I am as pale as a ghost. And then I've also got the Uber Glow here, which is like a gradual face tanning serum. And it's designed specifically for your face. So hopefully there will be no breakouts, no nothing. And it's going to be amazing. So I have already exfoliated my skin, as you can tell, because I am so white. And I did that using the Le Tan Charcoal Exfoliating Mitt. I've only got the packet here because the actual mitt is still drying in the shower. It's supposed to be deeply cleansing and detoxifying like any other charcoal product, which is fantastic for your skin. I think that's something that should be in all exfoliating mitts now that I think about it. It's supposed to leave your skin really bright and clean, and I can tell you right now, I'm definitely looking bright because I am so white. So the reason why I wanted to try the Le Tan products is because a friend of mine, Samara, actually said that the Uber Dark in the ash base is her favorite tan ever. And I was like, oh, interesting. I have never tried it. I've only been switching between Bondi Sands Dark, which is okay, it's fine, there's nothing wrong with it. I've heard the ultra dark can be quite orangey, but the dark is not that bad. I mean, I only keep it on for like 2 hours anyway, so maybe it's just I'm not keeping it on long enough, but it's okay, it's a nice tan. And I've been switching between that and the Vanity Velocity Tan in the, I think it's called Ultra Dark or something, the darkest one that they've got, and that's a spray tan, and I love that. But if I want to get a spray tan every week, I have to go back to my parents' home, and that's like at least a half-hour drive, and I don't want to do that. So I've been looking for a really good, nice dark tan, and when Samara recommended Uber Dark by Le Tan, I thought, well, I might just give it a go because she always seems to be really bronzed and it's really natural looking, so I thought I'd definitely give it a go. So they do have 3 different skin tones that you can choose from. So I've got the ash base here, which is a dark cool brown tan, and I believe they've got like a greeny olive one and then like a purple violet one as well. It depends on the type of skin that you have. My skin is really pale, it's quite pinky, so I have gone with the ash base. But if you are more olivey or you've got more yellow in your skin, all that sort of stuff, then that will determine which one you're going to choose. So I am going to give this a go now. I'm definitely on the carpet, so I hope I don't get this anywhere. I've got my little Le Tan application mitt, which I'm really excited to use. So soft, oh my gosh. Okay, so before we get started, I'm just going to quickly read out the back of this bottle for you guys. It is the darkest tan possible. It is fragrance free, tailored to your skin tone, and it's long lasting. So the next generation in dark tanning is here. This salon quality formulation has been created with highly concentrated tanning actives for the darkest tan possible. Fragrance-free formula with cutting-edge odor neutralizers to ensure no fake tan smell. Added moisturizing ingredients deliver an intensely hydrated and long-lasting result. Once you try Uber Dark, you'll never go back. Then it's got like a little thing about what base color am I, so you can have a look at which color would be best suited for you. Allow tan to develop for 3+ hours. Cool. Well, that means I don't have to keep it on for 4 to 6. I might just keep it on for 3. I like to keep my tans on for as short as possible because I have so much to do and I just don't really have time. I'm not a sleeper. I can't sleep in my tan. Even with a tansy, I haven't tried it, but I just the thought of it, I could not do it. So I'm gonna keep this on for about 3 hours and see what it's looking like, and then after that I'll determine whether I'm going to keep it on any longer. But without further ado, let's get this tan on. Okay, so I am going to be squirting some onto my application mitt. Come on. Ooh, wow. Ooh, it's very chocolatey. Okay, here we go. I'm so scared to be doing this on the carpet right now. I just wanted a nice backdrop. Oh my gosh. Whoa, this is a lot. I put a lot on. Okay. Let's blend this out, hey? This is so chocolatey. Wow. This is a different tone to what I am used to. Oh, how interesting. Look at that. Oh, it is an ash base. Wow, how interesting. This is so different. Oh, look at that. It almost looks like pink. Whoa, okay, all right, okay, all right. Try the other arm. Probably shouldn't have put that much on again. I cannot believe how chocolatey it is. Like, it's not like your normal like greeny or orangey tan. It's chocolate. I wonder how natural this will look, because for me this is not the type of tan I usually go. Come on, let's get rid of that streak there. It's not very sticky, which is nice. I can't see a whole lot because my ring light right now is like so bright and my eyes are just going funny, so every time I look at things it's just like a ring light. But from what I can see, it's very pinky, which I'm assuming is because I have pinky skin. So it's meant to be more of like a natural tan. I will be going off camera and doing all the parts that need doing after, and I'll get Reese to do my back because I am shocking at doing my back and I don't have a back applicator. Now I am going to put this on my face for the moment. Oh my god, I always look like so weird whenever I put this on my face. It always grabs to my face really weirdly. I'm assuming it's from all the oils in my skin, even though I have exfoliated. But I like immediately look like a clown. Look at that nose. Classic. I look like I've been rolling in mud. Oh my gosh. Interesting. Now, I don't even have a mirror in front of me right now. I'm just using the viewfinder at the moment on my camera. So I will have to go through and change. I look ridiculous right now. I just like to say, just like to put that out there. I think you've already gathered that. Oh my god. What is up with that nose? Oh my god, this is scary. Maybe I should take it off and just use the face drops. Is that what I should be doing? Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll continue with this and then I might take it off my face and use those tanning drops and see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna pop it on my tummy. I don't know if you can even see me. I'll come back here. This is so interesting. It's such a different colour to usual. Oh my god, I look sunburnt. This is so strange and I'm very excited to see what the final result is because I look weird. I really hope that the final result is good so that you guys can like see how crazy I look right now and then how good I look after. But when people say that this is their favorite tan, then I have to give it a go. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I am going to head off camera and do all of the parts of me that should be done off camera, and then I will come back and give you an update on what I'm going to do with my face, and then I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. I think I'll just leave it until I might show you what it's looking like after I've washed it off, and then I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, okay, so I have just finally finished putting this tan all over me. I must say it is not sticky whatsoever. I look so silly. I look like I got a beard or something. It is not sticky whatsoever. It's very dark. It's definitely a different tone to what I'm used to. I usually do have like a green, like olive based tan, so this is interesting. I'm excited to see how it turns out though, so I'm gonna keep this on for about 3 hours and we will see how it goes. I've made an executive decision and I'm going to keep it on my face for the moment, and I will use the Uber Glow maybe in the morning just to add a little more colour, because I didn't put as much on my face as I put on the rest of my body. I did like maybe 2.5, 3 layers everywhere, and then only 1 layer on my face. So yes, we will see how this goes. I'm just gonna go do some work and maybe make some lunch because I haven't done that yet, and I'm gonna start prepping for rehearsals because I've got that tonight, and yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I've just washed off the tan and this is what it's currently looking like. It's quite similar to my original skin tone. It's pretty much all washed off, so I am keen to see what happens in the morning. I'll let you know. Good morning guys, so it is the next day and I'm feeling quite bronzed. I don't know if you can tell because I've got all this light coming in, which is fantastic, but also not great to show you this tan. But hopefully you can tell that I've got a bit more colour. It did say that it was like the darkest tan possible. Maybe that's if you keep it on for like 6 hours. I kept mine on for 3, but it's not the darkest tan possible, but maybe that's just because I didn't leave it on long enough. But I don't mind it. I was really nervous that it was going to be very pinky. As you guys could see, I was looking really sunburnt when I put it on, and I was like, oh no, this is not gonna be okay. But as it sunk in, it got really dark, and then I washed it off, as you guys saw, and it was pretty much gone. But today I have woken up and I do have more colour. Yeah, it's not as dark as I usually go when I get a spray tan, but in saying that, it's a really nice natural colour, and it really suits my skin tone and my hair and all that sort of stuff, so I don't really mind it. It's actually really nice. Maybe I just need to leave it on longer if I want it darker. So yeah, it wasn't sticky or anything. It was really comfortable. I was able to like sit down and stuff, and I didn't get any marks. So that was really good, because sometimes spray tans and stuff, like the solution comes off your body and you're like, oh my god, I'm gonna have a white mark on my butt. But it didn't happen with this. It was fine. Like, I didn't even get marks from my straps from the nightie or anything. It was great. It just like stuck to your body and that was it. So yeah, I really like it. I don't feel too dried out or anything. I haven't broken out in pimples or anything. Sometimes that happens. Feeling good. I still feel like I look really white and bright with all this light. I was going to use the Uber Glow face drops, but I woke up and my face was pretty tan already, so I didn't want to make it go darker because then it would look silly. So I think I'm gonna wait a couple days. I might post it to my Instagram at Katrina West. Go follow it. So I'll post a photo to my Instagram once I have tried those, and show you guys what it's looking like. Do like a before and after picture maybe. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try those. I'm really happy with this tan. I think I'm gonna take it with me to New York in September. That's gonna be great. If you guys want to try out this tan, I will pop the links in the description box below, and also for those Uber Glow face drops as well, because I have a feeling they're gonna be incredible. I've never used anything like them before, but yeah, I'll definitely post a photo to my Instagram about that shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure you hit the bell for notifications for every time that I post. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.